Section 5. Security System. In this section, we will be learning to build a security system using Azure and Node-RED. Video 5.1. Introduction to the project. In this video, we will look at the idea and outline of the project. As I said, we will be building a security system using Azure. Azure? Yup. We will specifically be using Azure Face API. It comes under Azure's Cognitive Services. If you want to use some other visual API, you can also use that. I am building this project with Azure. So, how will it be useful in our project? The Face API provides algorithms to detect and identify the images sent by us. In this case, let's say an employee comes to the office. Mostly, workspaces will have biometrics or card readers to check attendance and let the person in. Here, we will be using face recognition like the face unlock feature on your phone. We will use a camera to take the employee's image and send it to Azure's Face API. This image will be compared with the previously trained model of the employee photos in the database. So, if the person wanting to enter the office is a registered employee, we can control a servo or solenoid lock to open the door. But what's the fun in this? It still looks incomplete. Yeah, right? So, we are going to add a dashboard, and if there is a newly joined employee, we can add his images also to the model using an admin console in the dashboard. And to secure the admin console, we will add a security page. We are going to do all of this. And I have a few surprises for you. You will get to know them at the end of the section. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start. In this video, we defined the idea of the first feature of the project. In the next video, we will learn how the Face API works and try out the different APIs.